plane that works. Here's a plane that's going to work.
Right after I'm done this beer, I'm going flying.
Yeah, you don't know how to fly anyway. You're just one of those friggin', what do you call those guys? A poser. Now that's a poser.
No, I'm
Hangs on the strut like he just knows everything, eh?
I'm a hanger flyer.
Yeah, here's a boss man here. This is like the engineering guy.
Yeah, right.
What do you call those guys? A millwright. This is how they designed to put this gear on. He's filling up the bladders right now. 2 to 2.25 pounds on the full Lotus. These things are made to flex.
I think the tank is empty.
Well, the compressor's plugged in. Just go charge it back up. Plug it back in and you're all set. Quicksilver GT 500. Not too many of these on floats. This
and
one
again,
here.
we're learning how to put the floats on a
Full Lotus.
full Lotus on.
You buy full Lotus floats, trust me.
You're on your own.
You're on your own. They work okay, but you talk to Jeffrey, and he'll tell you, oh yeah, he's had it on a billion different pairs. But you know what? I can't actually say that that's a fact, Jeff.
Best floats made though.
Yeah, if you're like an airbag.
Last night I was stranded on the beach. It was all rock. I was able to just pull the plane right up on the rock in like 3-foot waves, no problem.
Yep.
Pulled away in the morning, no problem.
Yep. No, you got a point there. My fiberglass floats wouldn't have liked that. But you know what?
You'd have sunk.
I would have dropped my gear. I would have landed right in the Sky Harbor Airport there, and I wouldn't have had a problem.
Well, sometimes you don't have a choice. Really.
Because I have a glide ratio with this plane. Not like those flying lawn chairs of other guys. Over. Whoa! Nice! Nice stop. You missed everything.
I thought for sure he was going to get
Oh no, that's just you. Hang on, just stay there. Okay, here we go. Quicksilver GT 500 on full of amphibs. Got a pretty hefty angle tack sitting as a tail dragger here. We got Master here, Mr. Derek. Says he's gonna make it work. We're gonna see what happens. I think he thinks he's in a DC3 the way he's sitting way up there in the air. It's only a flying lawn chair, the GT 500. Let's see what you got there, big boy.
Up. Both of them? No, inside only. You can turn the outside on after you fired it up.
Okay. Clear problem.
Now let's see, he's got trouble taxing it. Just like on skis, eh? You gotta get that.
You gotta crank it.
Oh, he's gonna go right around. Yeah, that's why we got the 3 guys here today, so we go in the wheat. Let her rip, right into the wheat. GT 500, off in the wheat field. You gotta catch it quick when it comes around, eh?
You gotta give it power, otherwise it won't.
Very good, Derek. She's got her going. Windsock straight across, go to the back runway. You should be able to take her airborne. Here comes the search and rescue. Let me jump in the box. Nice. Oh, not that much for a pro. There he goes. Okay, now off the rudder now, off the rudder. Here we go. Oh, I'm flying. Don't go too fast. There can get a tailwind behind you, fool. I'm gonna show you. Look at the spin you sideways and you're gonna be asking for it. Oh yeah! Yeah, through the bean field. GT 500 in the beans. Yeah! Okay, you can turn around there, Andy. Okay, we'll let him. We'll get turned around here. See what's going on.
Roof mount shot here.
I'm on the roof cam. The Dodge Ram roof cam.